Namaste student, welcome to Government Portfolio. Today we will discuss about wildlife biologist and zoologist. So biologist. Wildlife biology is the study of animals and their behaviors. Wildlife biology includes the subject as developing and conducting experiments and studies on animals in their natural habitats and studying the animals' characteristics like their reproductive and movement patterns, interaction with other species, the transmission of diseases, and the dynamic within a population. So this is all about wildlife biologist. How to next we will discuss that how to become a wildlife biologist. So in this degree level bachelor's degree is minimum, masters and or PhD for advancement degree field, wildlife biology or similar related field. Certification available from the Wildlife Society. Experience, educational experience, recommended field experience required for certification. Key skill is communications, organization, writing skills, observation, data gathering, analysis, and the use of scientific methods. Next, we will discuss duties of zoologist and wildlife biologist. Develop and conduct experimental studies with animals and controlled or natural surroundings. Next, collect biological data and specimens for analysis. Next, study the characteristics of animals such as their interactions with other species, reproduction, population dynamics, diseases, and movement patterns. Analyze the influence that human activity has on wildlife and their natural habitats. Research, initiate, and maintain ways of improving breeding programs that support healthy game animals, endangered species, or other wildlife population of land or aquatic life. Next is estimate, monitor, and manage wildlife population and invasion plants and animals. Develop and implement programs to reduce the risk to human activities from wildlife and invasive species such as keeping wildlife from impacting airport operations or livestock and crop productions. Write research papers, reports, and scholarly articles that explain their findings. Give presentation on research findings to academics and the general public. Development conservation plans and make recommendations on wildlife conservation and management issues to policymakers and the general public. Next, we will discuss exam pattern. The written test may assesses journal knowledge, aptitude, English language skills, analytic and quantitative abilities, and knowledge of basic biology, ecology, and conservation issues. This test is conducted in over 330 centers across India, including most state capitals in early December. Eligibility: Indian applicants with a bachelor degree in any discipline, including those in a final year of graduation, with a minimum of 50% marks in the core subjects are eligible to apply. Central, South, and Southeast Asian nationals with similar qualifications are also eligible to apply. The next round of admission to the program has been announced on NCBS TIFR website and in leading national dailies, along with admission to other courses in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research (TIFR). The entrance exam will be held in December 2019, followed by interviews with shortlisted candidates in May 2020. The course commences in August 2020. So this is all about the wildlife biologist and zoologist. Thank you, everyone.